Hello, welcome to Easy to Learn. In this video, I will show you how to transfer propane from one bottle to another. Pretty much, I will make left-hand 3/8 inch to left-hand 3/8 inch hose, as this hose is not for sale in stores. To be able to refill small gas bottles to save money, we will need two barbecue hoses and POL to 3/8 inch gas adapter. I do apologize, as I have lost some parts of this video, because of defective memory card. Here is the first hose. I will need to strip out 3/8 inch connector, to be able to use its bulb with other hose. I will connect it to the gas bottle, to keep it from moving and make my job easier. Firstly, I will need to take off that fixed metal clip. I will use screwdriver and small hammer. I had to cut off the hose, to be able to take off the fixed metal clip. With a knife, cut off the hose, without damaging the metal bulb. This is the part that we need from the first hose, the 3/8 inch fitting in its bulb. Now, I need to cut off one end of the second hose. Make sure not to cut off the 3/8 inch end of the second hose. Use adjustable hose clamp to secure the hose on the bulb. we have left the hand 3/8 inch on both ends of the hose. But we need to make connector hole wider for the propane to be transferred from one bottle to another. I need to secure the hose with a clamp to be able to drill a wider hole. Now, both holes are big enough for the propane to be transferred. Connect the adapter to the big full gas bottle. Then, connect the hose to the adapter and then to the smaller empty bottle. Here's the bleeder valve that you will need to open during the refill process. Open the valve of the source gas bottle and use soapy water to check gas leaks. Open the valve of the small gas bottle and with a screwdriver, open the bleeder. I had to flip over my bottle, as it wasn't completely full. The gas bottle is cold, and it is full already. The bottle is bleeding propane. Now, it is time for testing. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for for more detailed video tutorials by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.